Say hi guys. Hi. Team Kali Maiya ki. Hold the pedals properly. Don't do anything. Control yourself. Control chaira. Do forward guys. Forward and say dam laga ke. Jai Balaya. Jai Balaya. Jai Balaya. All team stop and get down. Rope patkura. Get back. Forward. And stop. And now look at me guys, say hi guys. Hey. How is it? Good. Did you enjoy? Yes. Okay, all team, one more time, high five. And say guys, Kali Maiya ki. Hey. Attack! Okay, stop guys. All team, look at me. This is called natural body wash. How is it? Okay, now. Okay, now all team, one more time, high five guys. And say team Kali Maiya ki. Forward. Stop guys, stop and get down. Rope patko. Get back. And forward. And say, Guntala kadi gula. 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 Forward and say, Jai Balaya. Stop and get down. Rope patko. Get back and do forward guys, forward. All team say Jai Balaya. Jai Balaya. Keep rowing, don't stop guys. All team stop and get inside. Get back. Backward. Do backward faster. Hi team. Hi. Okay, now all team, get ready for the last rapid of the trip. Are you ready guys? Yes. Okay, now all team, high five. And say guys, Kali Maiya ki. Hey. Do forward. Forward faster. Faster team, faster. And say dam laga ke. Are haisa bolo, dam laga ke. Do faster. All team now, Jai Balaya. All team now, stop and get down guys, get down. And say team Kali Maiya ki. Get back. Do forward again. Now team, stop and look at me. How is the trip guys? Did you enjoy? Yes. I couldn't hear you guys. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, now team, come on, last high five guys. And say team Kali Maiya ki. Yes. All team say hip hip. Hip hip. Okay, now team, thank you guys for your support, all of you. Bye bye.
Bye.